welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get into a new dessert I've been making, trying to make a more simple dessert that's also high in protein, but doesn't have quite as much on the calorie count. So it's a little bit of a softer blow after dinner. So if you're trying to cut back on calories but still get your protein in, this would be ideal. So let's jump right into it. So we're gonna be making pistachio and almond ice cream today. The serving sizes are so simple. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 cups of our Fairlife milk, and we're gonna measure that out. 2 cups exactly. 2 cups on the second container going in. Next thing is we wanna get sugar-free pistachio pudding mix. And the serving size instructions are for 2 cups of milk, which is perfect, which is exactly what we're doing with the Fairlife milk here. 2 cups of milk. Very, very easy recipe. That is delicious. Xanthan gum is optional. I keep that near just in case when I'm doing the mixing. If it's a little too icy, I'll add a little bit in the initial phase. Traditionally, I would put it in with this, but I feel like the pudding mix is already gonna make it pretty creamy. So that's what we're looking like right now unmixed. All right, so that's gonna be our base. We're gonna take our whisk and we're just gonna mix that up really good. You can add in an optional whey protein. I suggest an unflavored one. There's plenty of them like on Amazon. They'll usually add like another 25 to 30 grams of protein. But this by itself is 32 grams of protein, which is good. It's a little bit lighter than my traditional Ninja Creamis. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we are gonna cap these and we put them in the freezer for 24 hours, okay? All right, so 24 hours later, we have one that's been sitting out for about an hour. It smells great, it smells fantastic, oh my goodness. All right, we get that locked and loaded in the Ninja Creami machine. And we wanna do a full run and we wanna do just the ice cream setting. All right, so it's all done with its first run and I can already tell you it's pretty icy if you look at it here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum and that'll help cream it up a little bit and smooth it out. Okay. And on top of that, we're gonna add a little bit of some milk. Just a little dash of the Fairlife milk. Clean the nozzle on here. Gets kind of dirty sometimes. All right, we're gonna re-lock in and do a respin. We're gonna go full and we're gonna do respin. All right, let's take a look and see how we're doing here. Much, much better. There we go. Okay, so now we wanna start our mix-ins. So these almonds, there's 4 servings in this container from Harris Teeter, and I get 4 boxes of the pistachio pudding, and I got 1 bag of sliced almonds, and I get a couple containers of the Fairlife milk. So everything works out to about 4 of these ice cream containers that are very simple. So you want to add 1/4 cup of almonds in here. And then what I like to do is I like to save a little bit for the topping, but then I'm going to mix these in. We're locked in again. We're going to go to full and we're going to choose the mix-in setting this time. All right, mix-in is done. Let's check it out. Ooh, looking good, looking good. All right, so now we're going to take the remaining almonds and we're going to throw them on top for a topping. All right, and there you guys have it. Pistachio ice cream with almonds. The macros on this are 580 calories, 31 grams of fat, because I'm using the whole Fairlife milk. You can get skim, I think, and 2%. 38 grams of carbs and 32 grams of protein. So not bad. Now remember, this is the Ninja Creami Deluxe. This container is massive. So you also don't need to have all of this in one sitting. If you are trying to up the protein contents of it, you can put in some whey protein. I've used the Naked brand on Amazon before. And with a scoop of the Naked protein in here, it is 730 calories, 33 grams of fat, 46 grams of carbs, and 57 grams of protein if you added some protein to this puppy. So that is what we're looking like, guys. Let's check it out. Delicious, absolutely awesome. I love the crunch of the almonds, the sweetness of the pistachio. It's very smooth, very good. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, everybody. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the recipe. If Fitness tip. So one thing I'm trying to work on now, I'm starting to plateau with my my cardio. Walking is great, but I'm not getting my heart rate up as much. I'm traditionally only doing the stair stepper maybe Thursday and Tuesday, just my leg days. So I'm gonna start increasing some other forms of cardio that gets my heart rate into the 130, 140 range, which is just a fat burner. I need to lose a little bit more belly fat on my build. I just feel like I have a little bit of excess there. So, and it's always the last thing to go. So, and that's okay. So I'm gonna do some elliptical, maybe 30 minutes a day, every other day. I haven't really figured it out yet. Maybe a little bit more stair stepping on days I do upper body and stuff. Just at the end of my workout, just hop on the stair stepper or hop on the elliptical and get some more in there. Just trying to increase my VO2 max. Right now my VO2 max is above average. It's at 44, which is good for me, but I've had it a lot higher before, and I think I've really tapered off of the 130, the 140 cardio. So if you feel like you're gonna plateau, or you are plateauing with your cardio and you're not burning as much fat, you might be reaching your ideal weight, but it's also a good time to check yourself and kind of maybe switch up your routine. And I think that's what I need to do. So anyway, that's it for me, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.